Hello? Yeah, alright, cool. Howdy guys, my name is Collin Margiotta and I am in the ENTO 322 in class. So for my butterfly project, I was in charge of creating the Butterflies in the Brazos TAMU website. So a lot comes with creating a TAMU website, and I'm going to get into all of that later in this digital learning project, but it was no easy feat. It was hard, it was struggling. We were using WordPress, which I had never used before. I had never actually done any website development, but I love this kind of stuff. I think I might want to do that in the future, so I really enjoyed this project. So I'm just going to go through the rubric and kind of hit all of the key points, and I hope to make it short and sweet without boring you guys to death because, it's the end of the semester and we have much better things to be worrying about than entomology. So starting off, we really didn't have community partners. Our job was to create a website that displayed all of y'all's projects. That was what we were doing. We wanted one place where we could see where all of the ENTO 322 students did with their butterfly projects. So that's kind of the high level overview of what we wanted. And as you'll see later in the video, I think we did a really nice job and I'm pretty sure it all came out fairly nicely. So there's not really community partners. We worked a lot with Coates. We worked a lot with the Ag Life Sciences department on building this website, but we really didn't go out into the community because you guys kind of brought the community to us. So, kind of our short-term goals was literally to just get something up there because it is hard to, code a website in WordPress with all of the, kind of regulations along it being a TAMU website. So that was kind of our short term. Our medium term was to make it look good, and what we ended up deciding to go with on our kind of structure was to start off by having a blurb about the 4 sections. So we broke everyone up into these 4 sections right here: Milkweed Production, Cities and Parks, Schools, and Insect Collection. So when we go to those websites later, or those pages, we will see that we started off with some blurbs about what each one was, and then we finished with actual quotes and pictures that you guys sent in. You probably got an email from us. If you were the spokesperson, you probably got an email from us asking for pictures and for content, and we wanted to thank you guys so much for sending in those responses. It was super helpful. So then kind of moving into project planning, we kind of, our plan was to, we really didn't know what to do at the beginning. Honestly, being totally honest, we really had no idea what to expect. It was a very much work in progress this entire time, talking to Coates, emailing Coates, saying, this is working, this isn't working. So our plan was very, very up in the air until we finally got the structure that we wanted, and it's still not exactly perfect, but it's as good as we're gonna get it right now. So that was, it was our plans kind of all went out the roof whenever we would try and do something, but then that wasn't allowed since it's a TAMU website. So it was a very much learn on the go kind of thing. We watched tons of different videos and then couldn't use some of the stuff we saw in the videos, and it was a mess, but I think it ended up turning out nicely. So then, I had kind of described earlier that a couple seconds ago actually that we had gone through and we did, we watched all the videos, we had to email Coates, we worked alongside the Ag Life Sciences tech people and IT people. So it was a very complex process to get what you guys see right now. And it was not easy. So now I'm going to kind of go through the website. So this is our homepage right here. I'm gonna really just highlight the four tabs that pertain to you guys since it's y'all watching it. So we started with Milkweed Production, and then we can kind of go here. We spent a lot of time on this first Milkweed Production, at least I did. It was, I think it looks really good. We had, these are all original pictures that you guys sent in. And these pictures were in the AgriLife Sciences Department photo album that we gained access to. We can then go into cities and parks, and of course, in the future, we would want all of these to be filled out right there. But we had a limited amount of time, limited amount of knowledge, and limited amount of projects. So getting all of it done wasn't a realistic goal. But here, some of you guys are. I hope you guys got to review this so you can see yourself on an actual TAMU website. You guys look awesome. You did awesome. It's an awesome poster right there. Thank you guys again for sending in those little blurbs. We then moved into schools, and again, we would want all the schools in the area to be filled out eventually, but we just have a few schools here. And then we're going to finish with some insect collection, which I just know was super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that. So that's kind of the entirety of the website. That was, I explained kind of the difficulties before of doing all that. That's what we created. That took us a long time to create. Lots of, slamming our hands against the desk when stuff wouldn't work. But we came out with some. I'm really happy with the results and what we produced from this project. I think this entomology website is going to be awesome. I think it's going to be a good catch for all of the projects in the future. We were really happy with the results. So had a great impact on us. We now know WordPress fairly well, so we're really happy about that. I just wanted to clarify, everything that you see, all the pictures that you see were original content. We didn't get anything off the internet. We either got it from you guys sending it in, or we got it from the AgriLife Sciences photo album, which we were gained access to through this project. So I'm going to finish up with the future project, and this isn't something that's gonna, there's going to be a new one every year. This website's going to keep evolving, and we hope it evolves into a place where people can go for actual information on the monarchs and everything that has to do with monarch butterflies. We hope to eventually include academic journals and everything, but we just laid the foundation since this was our first year to do this, and then people in the next many years to come are going to continuously update this website and add more projects. So I hope you guys enjoyed our brief overview of the Monarch Butterfly TAMU website, and I hope if you ever need monarch butterfly help in the future, you'll think of going to this website. Thanks again, and bye.